Okay, here we are for writing again. Yesterday we wrote about what happened first in our story of the chore that we might help do at home or do on our own. So mine is washing the dishes. So I took my dirty dishes to the sink. So now I'm going to write next. So today I'm going to write about actually washing the dishes in the sink. So next, capital N E X T. Now, something that we have just done a little bit, where's my hand? A little bit on. Okay, I can put a comma here, and a comma just looks like this. And that just means a little pause. So I could say, like yesterday's, let me get my yesterday's paper. Yesterday said, first I took my dirty dishes to the sink. So instead I could say first, comma, I took. So it makes me pause just a little bit. First, I took my dirty dishes to the sink. Not a big difference, but we use that sometimes. So next, comma, finger space, I. Now, I'm going to write a lot about what I did today just because there's more that I need to put in here. Nope. Okay, so I'm thinking as I'm writing. So let's go back. I want to think about this before I write. So when I actually wash my dishes, I have to put water in the sink. I have to put soap in the sink. And then I need to wash them with my sponge or my washcloth. So next, I put, finger space, put, sight word, P-U-T. So I need to have some water in first. And do I want cold or warm water? I want warm water. So I could add that detail, but I'm just going to put water. Water. And one thing that I love to see a lot of in the sink is bubbles. I love lots of bubbles in my sink when I'm washing dishes. So next I put water, and so I don't have space here. I'm going to skip this next line so that it looks neater, but we don't have to. We can go on the very next line. I just like leaving more space. And so I'm adding another detail. Soap. S-O-P. Next, I put water and soap in the. We all know how to write the. Don't have room. Sink. And I wrote that word yesterday. I-N-K. Next, I put water and soap in the sink. Period. So I'm going to actually add another sentence here. You don't have to, but you can. So I'm going to leave a nice, actually 2 finger spaces after my period. We haven't done that a whole lot, but I'm going to start with another capital letter because I'm starting a new sentence. Then I washed. Okay, that's some space, but I don't want to try to fit it in there, and I don't want to put washed and then or put wash and have to finish it down here. So I'm going to go down here. Then I washed because remember I already did this, so that means I did it yesterday. Then I washed finger space my finger space dishes. So I have my 2 sentences here that I wrote. That's a lot that I wrote, but I think you can do a good job on that too. And then I'm going to draw my picture. I'm going to do that on my own because you don't need to watch me draw my picture, but I'll show it to you later. That's your surprise. Oh yeah, big surprise, but that'll be your surprise on Flipgrid on Friday.